Momax, a well-known brand, has introduced a 45-watt GaN 3-in-1 power bank that can function either as a wall charger or as a portable battery, depending on the scenario. It features a built-in retractable USB-C cable, eliminating the need to carry an extra cable. The front of the packaging box features the Momax logo, the product image, its name, and key selling points. The back of the box shows usage scenarios along with the product specifications. The package includes the power bank and a user manual. The enclosure is made of flame-retardant PC material with smoothly rounded edges and a metallic painted surface. A digital display is positioned at the top, and the Momax logo is printed below it. The digital display shows the remaining battery level. In power bank mode, a DC indicator appears at the bottom right corner. In charger mode, an AC indicator appears at the bottom left corner. In both modes, the display shows the status and power output of each port. It can also display the temperature. This side is equipped with a function button, as well as one USB-A port and one USB-C port. There is also a lanyard hole on the left side. The USB-C retractable cable connector features a metal casing, and the storage slot is equipped with a magnet to hold the connector in place. The USB-C retractable cable has a flat cable design. The specifications are printed on the bottom of the enclosure. Model, IP167. AC input, 110 to 240 volts alternating current, 50 to 60 Hz, 1 ampere maximum. DC input, USB-C/USB-C cable, 5 volts direct current, 3 amperes, 9 volts, 3 amperes, 12 volts, 2.5 amperes, 15 volts, 2 amperes, 20 volts, 1.5 amperes. Output. Charger mode. USB-C, 5 volts, 3 amperes, 9 volts, 3 amperes, 12 volts, 3 amperes, 15 volts, 3 amperes, 20 volts, 2.25 amperes, PPS 3.3 to 11 volts, 4 amperes. USB-C cable, 5 volts, 3 amperes, 9 volts, 3 amperes, 12 volts, 3 amperes, 15 volts, 3 amperes, 20 volts, 2.25 amperes, PPS 3.3 to 11 volts, 3 amperes. USB-A, 5 volts, 3 amperes, 9 volts, 2 amperes, 10 volts, 2.25 amperes, SCP, 12 volts, 1.5 amperes. Multi-port simultaneous output, 5 volts, 3 amperes maximum. Maximum output power, 45 watts. Power bank mode. USB-C/USB-C cable, 5 volts, 3 amperes, 9 volts, 3 amperes, 12 volts, 2.5 amperes, 15 volts, 2 amperes, 20 volts, 1.5 amperes, PPS 3.3 to 11 volts, 3 amperes. USB-A, 5 volts, 3 amperes, 9 volts, 2 amperes, 10 volts, 2.25 amperes, SCP, 12 volts, 1.5 amperes. Multi-port simultaneous output, 5 volts, 3 amperes maximum. Maximum output power, 33 watts. Battery capacity, 5000 mAh. Battery energy, 5000 mAh, 7.74 volts, 38.7 watt-hours. Rated capacity, 5600 mAh, 5 volts, 2 amperes. Battery type, polymer lithium battery. Energy conversion efficiency, greater than or equal to 60%. It has obtained both CCC and CE certifications. It is equipped with foldable plug pins. The plug housing features a modular design, allowing different types of plug pins to be assembled for wider compatibility. The length is about 124.1 millimeters, 4.89 inches. The width is about 51.79 millimeters, 2.039 inches. The thickness is about 40.93 millimeters, 1.61 inches. The length of the cable is about 67 centimeters, 26.38 inches. That's how big it is in the hand. The weight is about 313 grams, 11.041 ounces. In power bank mode, the ChargerLAB Power ZKM003C shows that the USB-C cable supports QC 3.0/4+, FCP, SCP, AFC, PD 3.2, PPS, DCP, and Apple 2.4 amperes charging protocols. And it has 5 fixed PDOs of 5 volts 3 amperes, 9 volts 3 amperes, 12 volts 2.5 amperes, 15 volts 2 amperes, and 20 volts 1.5 amperes. It has one set of PPS, which is 5 to 11 volts, 3 amperes. It also has one set of 1.5 amperes SPR-AVS, which is 9 to 20 volts, 2 amperes. The USB-C 2 port is compatible with the same protocols as the USB-C retractable cable. The PDO messages are also identical, meaning the output performance is the same. The USB-A supports QC 3.0, FCP, SCP, AFC, and DCP charging protocols. In charger mode, testing showed that the USB-C retractable cable also supports QC 3.0/4+, FCP, SCP, AFC, PD 3.2, PPS, DCP, and Apple 2.4 amperes charging protocols, with the maximum PD fast charging output increased to 45 watts. The PDO messages indicate that the USB-C retractable cable supports 5 fixed voltage levels: 5 volts, 3 amperes, 9 volts, 3 amperes, 12 volts, 3 amperes, 15 volts, 3 amperes, 20 volts, 2.25 amperes, as well as a 5 to 11 volts, 3 amperes PPS voltage range and a 9 to 20 volts, 2.25 amperes SPRA versus voltage range. The USB-C 2 port is compatible with the same protocols. The PDO messages are also identical. The USB-A supports QC 3.0, FCP, SCP, AFC, and DCP charging protocols. Next, let's take it apart to see its internal components and structure. When opening the enclosure, the edges are secured with snap-fit clips. The display is connected to the PCB via a ribbon cable, supported by a plastic bracket, and secured with screws. The retractable cable module is placed in a plastic slot on the right side and is connected to the PCB via a plug-and-play wire harness. Remove the digital display and retractable cable module. Remove the PCBA module and battery pack. The enclosure around the battery compartment is sealed with adhesive, and the PCBA module connects to the plug pins through a contact-based electrical design. Both the PCBA module and the battery pack are placed within plastic compartments, with a plastic partition separating them. The PCBA module area is extensively filled with black and white adhesive. Separate and remove the PCBA module and battery pack. The front end of the battery pack has nickel tabs spot welded to a lithium battery protection PCB. The battery pack consists of 2 identical polymer cells. The cells are from GPC, model 904275, with a nominal voltage of 3.87 volts, a rated capacity of 5 ampere-hours, and an energy of 19.35 watt-hours. They have obtained CCC and CE certifications. The back of the lithium battery protection PCB features a battery protection chip, battery protection MOSFETs, and includes a balancing circuit. The battery protection chip, marked 5H2UAG, uses an MSOP8 package. The battery protection MOSFETs are from Gigastec, marked G20D22, model GTMQ20D22. They are dual NMOS transistors with a voltage rating of 20 volts, an on resistance of 3.3 milliohms, and come in a DFN 3.0 by 3.0, 8-lead package. Close-up of the balancing circuit. The PCBA module consists of 3 small stacked PCBs, with potting applied to enhance heat dissipation and environmental durability. On the back of the main board, there is a power management chip. Clean the module and separate the small PCBs. The front of the mainboard is equipped with a time delay fuse, an NTC thermistor, a common mode choke, a filter inductor, high voltage electrolytic capacitors, and a transformer. The front of the small PCB on the side features an optocoupler, an SMD-Y capacitor, a synchronous rectifier controller, and a synchronous rectifier. The back of the small PCB contains the capacitor that supplies power to the master control chip, as well as a solid capacitor for output filtering. The time delay fuse is rated at 3.15 amperes, 250 volts. The NTC thermistor is used to suppress inrush current during power on. The common mode choke is wound with 2 wires and is insulated with a heat shrink tube for protection. The bridge rectifier is from World Industrial, model WRLSB80M. This soft bridge rectifier, with its softer recovery curve and smoother turn-off characteristics, helps reduce diode junction capacitance, thereby minimizing harmonic oscillations. The LSB package used provides excellent heat dissipation, enhancing the reliability of medium to high power adapters. Each unit is capable of handling over 60 watts. The filter inductor is insulated with a heat shrink tube for protection. The 2 high voltage electrolytic filter capacitors are from YUG. The specifications for both capacitors are 400 volts, 39 microfarads. The integrated GaN chip is from Meraki, model MK2780. This is a high-frequency quasi-resonant controller optimized for PD/fast charging applications, with an integrated 700 volts, 170 milliohms GaN FET. Its wide VCC operating voltage range, 9 to 85 volts, enables it to cover the PD/PPS protocol range of 3.3 to 21 volts output, without the need for additional VCC auxiliary windings or linear step-down circuits. To achieve high efficiency under varying load conditions with universal input voltage, the device adopts an adaptive DCM/QR operating mode. In light load conditions, the device enters burst mode to enhance energy efficiency. It also integrates comprehensive protection features, including output over voltage protection, output over power protection, VCC over voltage protection, under voltage protection, brown in/out, secondary side synchronous rectification short circuit protection, and current sensing short circuit protection. The capacitor supplying power to the master control chip is rated at 100 volts, 3.3 microfarads. The transformer uses an ATQ19 core. The optocoupler is from model 1009 and is used for output voltage feedback. The SMD-Y capacitor is from TRX, with the part number TMY1102M. Its compact size and lightweight design make it ideal for high-density power products, such as GaN fast chargers. The synchronous rectifier controller is from Meraki, model MK91808H. It supports CCM, DCM, and QR operating modes. The chip uses proprietary self-powering technology to supply power to the VCC, allowing it to be placed directly in the primary side without the need for auxiliary windings. It comes in a SOT236 package. The synchronous rectifier is from WOION, marked 080N10L4, model WMB080N10LG4. It is an NMOS transistor with a voltage rating of 100 volts, an on resistance of 7.8 milliohms, and comes in a PDFN50 by 60, 8-lead package. The solid capacitor for output filtering is from ENGCON, with a specification of 25 volts, 680 microfarads. The front of the master control PCB features the MCU, memory, power bank SOSI, synchronous buck-boost MOSFETs, and multiple V-bus MOSFETs. The other side of the PCB features a buck-boost inductor, solid capacitors, and a thermistor. The MCU is from MPS, model CW32F030F6P6. It is a single-chip microcontroller based on eFlash, integrating an ARM Cortex-M0 Plus core with a maximum frequency of 64 MHz, high-speed embedded memory, and a range of enhanced peripherals and I/O ports. It operates over a temperature range of -40 to 105 degrees Celsius, with a wide supply voltage range of 1.65 to 5.5 volts. It supports two low-power modes, sleep and deep sleep, and comes in a TSSOP20 package. The memory is from ZBIT, model ZB25VQ64C, with a capacity of 8 MB. It comes in a DFN8 package. The voltage regulator chip is from Micron, marked 6203A. This V-bus MOSFET is from Alkid Semi, model AKT30P40Q. It is a PMOS with a voltage rating of -30 volts, an on resistance of 9 milliohms, and comes in a PDFN3 by 3 package. The solid capacitor on the battery side is from Jianhai, with a specification of 25 volts, 220 microfarads. The power bank SoC is from Ceylon, model SD59D25AC. This highly integrated protocol and power control chip is designed for multifunctional applications in travel chargers and power banks. It integrates 3 USB ports, with up to 2 USB-C ports, and supports fast charging protocols such as PD 3.1, PPS, QC 4.0+, FCP, SCP, AFC, BC 1.2, Apple 2.4 amperes, BOOK, and UFCS. In power bank mode, the chip includes a built-in 4-channel dead-zone controllable PWM controller to achieve bidirectional, buck/boost power conversion. It supports high-precision constant voltage and constant current regulation for lithium battery charge and discharge management. The chip also features a high-precision ADC for accurate coulomb counting. In charger mode, it integrates a TL431 and supports optocoupler control mode, allowing for flexible AC/DC power control and constant voltage/constant current output. It also supports LPS, low-power standby, functionality. The chip comes in a QFN52 package. The 4 synchronous buck-boost MOSFETs are identical, marked 7446, and come in a DFN3 by 3 package. The paired inductor is insulated with a heat shrink tube and reinforced with potting for protection. The solid capacitor is from Jianhai, with a specification of 25 volts, 220 microfarads. Close-up of the thermistor. The V-bus MOSFET of the USB-C retractable cable is also marked 7446. The V-bus MOSFET of the USB-C 2 port is also the same. The V-bus MOSFET of the USB-A port is also the same. The soldering points where the wires connect to the retractable cable module are sealed with adhesive for protection. Disassemble the retractable cable module. The spool is equipped with 3 brushes to increase current carrying capacity. Well, those are all components of the Momax 45 watt 3-in-1 GaN power bank with retractable cable.